Class 3, Lesson 4, MS Love is Life. God is supreme. He created the universe as well as all living beings. God loves all His creations. If we love His creations, we also love God. Love makes all living beings live happily. You need love just as you need air to breathe. It is the love of your parents that makes you grow. Love makes one proud of the success of others. It does not envy. Love wants to give rather than receive. It rejoices at being together. It finds happiness in caring and sharing. Love forgives. Love is gentle. It makes us generous and kind to others. Even plants and animals need love to grow. Pets move around you looking for your love and attention. Trees and plants around human habitation yield more fruits. Love is patience. It makes us tolerant towards others. A loving person is always willing to listen patiently to others. Here is a story about love is life. A woman who had been praying for long for wealth and success was surprised to find three old men with long white beards sitting in front of her house. She said, I don't think I know you, but you must be hungry. Please come in and have something to eat. Is your husband at home? They asked. No, she said. He is out. Then we cannot come in, they replied. In the evening, when her husband came home, she told him that three old men were waiting for him outside the house. Her husband said, Go, tell them I am at home and invite them in. The woman went out and invited the man in. We do not go into a house together, they replied. Why is that so? She wanted to know. One of the old men explained, I am love, and others are wealth and success. Then he added, Now go in and discuss with your husband which one of us you want in your home. The woman went in and told her husband what was said. Her husband was overjoyed. How nice, he said. Let us invite wealth. Let him come in and fill our home with wealth. His wife disagreed. My dear, why don't we invite success? Their daughter jumped in with her own suggestion. Would it not be better to invite love? Our home will then be filled with love. Go out and invite love to be our guest, said the man to his wife. The woman went out and asked the three old men, Which one of you is love? Please come in and be our guest. Love got up and started walking towards the house. The other two also got up and followed him. The woman was surprised and asked Wealth and Success, I only invited love. Why are you both coming in? The old men then replied together, If you had invited wealth or success, the other two of us would have stayed out. But since you invited love, wherever he goes, we go with him. Wherever there is love, there is wealth and success. Thank you.